itu belum.
Nimbun na siya, nimbun na.
Belum.
Pero sali.
Plantations that are yielding up to 160 tonnes per hectare. We're bringing his expertise here. Right now we're focused on the first four here, from land and crop development to transport. It's about using technology and economies of scale, using large-scale farming techniques, amalgamating land, which reduces inefficiencies and makes sugarcane cheaper to create, thus we get more back.
One of the culture that we brought up and we also presented to the Nandronga and Namosa Provincial Council. We pay the least, and there is also a profit sharing mechanism within our model for every 200 hectares. When we harvest the cane, one hectare, we give $200. That's the first one we've got this month.
How many acres is it?
That's about 200 acres. Yeah. And talking to Solo, he's also mentioned